I'm Santiago Espina. I'm a patient of Dr. Maynard. I had total knee replacement surgery about 8 months ago. I had the surgery because to be able to play with my son if he decides to play any sport. I want to be able to run with him. I want to do things with him, skiing, which we already do with him. He's starting to play soccer, so I want to run with him, and the bike too. So I wanted to be able to do that. So I came to see Dr. Maynard, and he suggested to have the knee replacement after he saw the MRI, and after telling him what I had done with the knee, the best thing to do was to replace the knee. The surgery went very well. Dr. Maynard explains to you how it's going to be. After 3 months of the surgery, I was able to ski. My experience with Dr. Maynard was the best ever. His kindness, the way he talks to you, makes you feel like family.